Meaning of General Electric.
General Electric.
General Electric.
General Electric.
General Electric. General Electric is a multinational conglomerate company that was founded in 1892 by the merger of Edison General Electric Company and Thomson Houston Electric Company. The company has its headquarters in Boston, Massachusetts, and its main operations include energy, healthcare, aviation, and transportation. It is known for producing a wide range of electrical and electronic products, including aircraft engines, power generation equipment, and medical imaging equipment. With a workforce of over 200,000 employees in more than 170 countries, General Electric is considered one of the biggest and most innovative companies in the world.